We're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog. So if you like this video, come back tomorrow.
And look at this misty, beautiful, almost Illinois land.
This is right where yesterday's vlog left off. When does that ever happen?
I don't think we've ever done it like that before.
I don't think so either.
This is also very close to where I got a speeding ticket while we were live streaming
That's why I'm
Instagram.
only going 5 miles off the speed limit because I'm terrified.
We're good until we cross the river. Once we get into Illinois, then it gets dirty. P.S. She's hanging out with me. She's so tired. Here's the Ohio River.
No, the Tennessee River.
I'm sorry, the Tennessee River. So now, right over these bridges, we'll see the Welcome to Illinois. Land of Lincoln. Someone decided to get adventurous and just jump back there and go on her bed.
Get comfy, Evers.
Lay down, baby.
You're making me nervous.
Nothing nervous about this chicken. Alright, I was way wrong about Illinois. We're still not in Illinois, but we're super close. See my breath. But we stopped because there was half a tank of gas we were going to fill up. And Sarah is bringing Eve right over there because she really needed to go to the bathroom. So we're going to fill up on gas, maybe go to the bathroom here in this BP. And Sarah said she's going to keep driving, so I guess she'll keep driving. Here we go. Now it's the Ohio River. And as we cross with that beautiful sunrise, I can already see the Illinois sign.
There it is.
There it is.
What would you say, like 5 hours?
A little less than.
Awesome.
A little less than. I won't be there. Nothing like Taco Bell breakfast at 9 in the morning. We're not even getting Taco Bell breakfast. We're just getting Taco Bell at 9 in the morning. How many units are we getting? We're getting 4 units. We could do a lot more, but
Yeah.
road trip style, we shouldn't get that many units. Units is a verbiage that we're using from the Earharts. And then we're gonna switch. I'm gonna drive now.
Yeah, and I'm gonna edit the vlog.
Alright, so we are in the final stretch. We are about 2.5 hours away. We had to stop though.
Oh gosh.
Come on. We had to stop though because I was feeling so grummy. I washed my face, went to the bathroom, changed my shirt. We brushed our teeth, deodorized, lip balm because the air down here is so dry. We're already getting it. So we bought a special lip balm just because. And I just feel so much better now. I put aftershave all over my face to dry it out because it was greasy because we didn't stop. Like we slept for 2 hours, but we didn't shower anywhere.
Okay, we're here, people. We're here. We just passed a store called Sprout Home. We gotta go. Okay, this is Chicago Avenue. Uh-oh, you just photobombed you.
We're not technically supposed to check in till 4, but we're gonna park on the street near, and I'm gonna message the person and be like, "Hey, when's this gonna be ready?" And hopefully,
You cannot see you.
hopefully they'll just say it's ready now. Don't worry about it. Because the Airbnb, we already have the code for the key, so like,
Yeah.
what's stopping us from going?
Hopefully
to get the
they're
key?
not cleaning or something, you know?
Right. That's why I want to message them first, but I also don't want to get charged an early check-in fee because it's 2 o'clock. Check-in's at 4.
Who is that?
Eva's living her glory days of living in Chicago when she was a puppy, and she's doing this exact same thing she used to do. She used to go up to every single stoop and smell the doors and windows.
Like check, like look at that.
Yeah, being all nosy. We're actually right around the corner from Vichcraft, the little studio store we went to the other day. I messaged our Airbnb
When we were here in November.
3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So since it's 49 degrees, I didn't put on my jacket. I have a jacket. Kind of wish I did put my jacket on. I also wish I put my shoes on because I'm still rocking my flip-flops, but the Airbnb said check in at 4. I think if we went there earlier, because it's self-check-in, you just grab a key from a box that they gave us the code to. Right. I just don't want to wait 2 hours. No, I don't want to play Stinkfish. It's a sidewalk cement game. But maybe we'll go check out Jenna Blazovich's studio and bring Eve by. She's supposed to be there, and just walk around. We got time. So we're back at Vichcraft to see Jenna and to pick up this cool fruits and veggies seasonal piece of art and calendar that she made. She's a city girl, rocking the city vibe. She does not smoke marble, so she's gonna leave it there. Show us what we got. So we talked about this last time, the veggies, the fruits and veggies.
Yes.
And it's amazing. We're definitely gonna put that in our kitchen.
It shows like what's in season, and it goes so well with our plant-based life.
And there's something special that they're doing.
Yeah. She does, like you saw in the video, like she straight up just hand does this. This is literally like what the back of Mickey Mouse ears used to be.
Her friend made the hearts, and then so she's changed stitching whatever you want.
Yeah.
And so we got Forever and Always with a little sweet pea.
Cute. Come on, Evie.
Eve's smelling all the smells and still freezing in flip-flops.
Cool and hip.
Almost a whole wardrobe change. Got my jacket, got these earmuffs that I didn't know we brought, but Sarah packed because she's a lifesaver. And put on shoes.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get food. It's a 20-minute walk. So, yeah, it's gonna be a 20-minute walk, eat, 20-minute walk back, and then it'll be time for us to check in. So we are walking to a restaurant called Handlebar. It's vegan and vegetarian on North Avenue and just west of Oakley in Wicker Park. We realized we could have driven there. It was like a 20-minute walk, but I think it was good for Eve to get out of the car.
Well, and we still, it kills time for us to get to check into our Airbnb.
Not until 4, so we're gonna see what we're gonna do regarding Eve. We'll probably have to eat it outside. Here we are. Our food was literally done in 5 minutes. And it's heavy.
Oh gosh.
I ordered not too much, but like I impulse ordered. Also, the reason why we were, oh my gosh, there's a little dog coming.
We can see this inside.
Oh my gosh.
See?
I'm not going to show the children, but there's a ballerina birthday party going on.
Look at this dog.
So the only reason we were told to go there, I mean, I did look it up before that it was a plant-based vegetarian restaurant, was to eat cake there that our friend Jenna, her friend, makes the cake. But we didn't get any cake, so we'll have to go back.
Our Airbnb is only a few blocks away, so we'll have to come back a different day while we're here and pick some up.
We got pickle spears, fried, ranch.
A little chicken wrap.
A little sneaky peek. I got a vegan fried avocado grilled cheese. Holy smokes, with mushrooms on it.
All right, the last two things, vegan chili and vegan sesame broccoli, which is literally just broccoli in like a sesame soy sauce.
What do you think of our Airbnb?
This is incredible.
So for privacy's sake, I'm not gonna show you the front, but we're like literally in a garage apartment on the second floor. Look at that set of stairs. Eve needed water desperately. I'm gonna do a little tour while Peter's grabbing more stuff. I'm gonna stay with Eve so she can get acclimated before we go to my mom's. So here is a TV. Peter already put bucket list on. Little dining area, full kitchen. The ceilings are nice and high. It's super like clean and nice. So thirsty. And then nice windows with shades. And the floors are hardwood. And then here is full washer and dryer, which I did not expect. Cleaning supplies are in there. I saw an iron. And then we have 2 bedrooms. Here's one. Nice, just simple setup. And here's the second bedroom. Nice, they have the blankets. I love a good map. Wait for me. found me. Oh, that's just you, honey. It's just you. Just a mirror. And then at the end of the hall, just a bathroom with a really nice shower. This is so nice. I look like I've been in the car for 20 hours. This Airbnb was only $59 a night. We are here until Friday, and then we're gonna stay Friday night at my mom's. So yeah, this was such a good deal. It's not super close to downtown, but it's close enough to transportation. Plus, like, a lot of our family stuff is gonna be on the south side anyways, but it'll be nice for us to be here, us two. These are Eve's Christmas presents. I think I'm gonna give her ones early because she's been so good. Maybe one of these. Wow. It was really easy to get on the highway from where we're staying, and we were greeted with like the Christmas skyline and traffic, but
like the sun setting pink, like the pinky
yeah.
sun
I wish I got the phone out quick enough. Wow.
It feels like it's 4 in the morning.
But it's only 4 in the afternoon.
We just left Eve. She was a little barky when we were leaving, but
sometimes she does, like, that.
She gets separation anxiety sometimes.
Yeah, we were just together for so long. The whole reason we drove through the night was so that we could spend the evening at my mom's, and we're gonna meet Luca.
Yes. And
we're so excited, so it's worth it. So hopefully we'll get home in a timely manner.
He's a little hungry.
He's searching.
Look at my new nephew, Luca Benedict. He's quite frankly amazing. I'm teaching him the best Christmas movies. First on the list, It's a Wonderful Life. She's sleeping.
Say hi. Hide! Hide! Oh gosh!
Can't find Vivi. She's trapped. Near, far, wherever you are. Give me your toes. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Just doing what I do. Look out, boys, I'm coming through. And I'm almost there.
Watch, Violet. Watch.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. No. Whoa.
Our very long, basically 2-day day has now come to an end.
Thank goodness we're gonna sleep. It's only, only 11:26, but like that's saying something.
Yeah, but we do have to get up at like
6.
6?
Yeah.
Because the business is just beginning. But Eve's doing good. I think she was slept the whole time we were gone, so hopefully she'll just keep sleeping.
Yeah.
And then we'll get up at 6 so you can edit. I'll play with her.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll go from there.
Yeah, it's all worth it.
We're hoping that tomorrow we'll be able to we didn't bring our calendar or take a photo of the messages, but I think that if we go into some of the older vlogs, we'll be able to see, hopefully zoom in, screenshot and zoom in. So going tomorrow, hopefully we'll have daily messages again.
Yes.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.